Hello and welcome to this tutorial installing the Unified Communicator client. Let's begin by considering the prerequisites before installing the Unified Communicator client. When installing the Unified Communicator client, we need to make sure that we've installed the server software onto a relevant PC, because during the client installation we'll attempt to connect to that. We need to make sure that we have permission to restart the client PC if required, though likely it won't be, and we could do with knowing the address of the server PC on which the software is installed, the IP address or the machine name in the event that the machine doesn't have a static IP address. So we're going to proceed with the installation and follow the prompts as we go. So we're installing Unified Communicator Client version 1.3. Unified Communicator Client contains a number of optional Microsoft components such as .NET Framework and a number of other optional components including various hotfixes and patches. This means that all the files that should be required are contained within the configuration program. At the end of the installation, then we'll proceed to run the software for the first time. The machine I'm installing onto here has most of the hotfixes and patches already on it, so the installation here is quicker. On a machine that doesn't have .NET Framework 2 already installed, then the installation will take about 5, maybe 10 minutes. Okay, so the software is installed, so let's press the finish button and the software will run for the first time. Okay, so here's the software loaded for the first time. So we need to tell the software where to find the Unified Communication server. Generally speaking, the easiest way to do that is to press the detect button and it will scan the network for the Unified Communication server. There is of course the possibility that it will be unsuccessful, perhaps because of security or network reasons, so it's always better to have the machine name of the server or its IP address so that we can enter that in the event that it doesn't work. Generally speaking, it will work for most desktop machines, but for laptops it tends to be more of a problem because they tend to have increased security. So let's press the save button and proceed. Now we need to put in the local extension number, so I know that I'm sitting next to extension 841, so let's enter that now. And then we'll press the save button. So the software's installed and configured correctly, so let's lift my handset up to make sure that it's working. There we go, so that's my first call being made. I'll start dialing. Let me press 842 to make a call to a colleague, and the software is installed correctly and working. So if you would like to see more, please can I encourage you to review the Unified Communicator operation training video. Thank you.